In order to work effectively in Unity, it's important to understand the main panels that make up the interface. Let's go through the most important ones. On the left side, you'll find the Hierarchy panel. This panel shows a structured list of all the game objects in your current scene. These can include elements such as 3D models, cameras, lights, and scripts. In the center, you'll see the Scene View. This is your main workspace. Here, you can visually interact with your environment by positioning, rotating, and scaling objects, as well as setting up interactions between them. At the bottom, you'll find the Project and Assets panel. This section contains all the files in your project, organized into folders. This is where you can access models, scripts, textures, and other resources. On the right side, you'll see the Inspector panel. Whenever you select a game object in either the Hierarchy or the Scene View, its properties will appear here. These properties include transformations such as position, rotation, and scale, as well as components like colliders, scripts, and materials.